Welcome back. In our previous session, we have covered C++ arrays. Now let us go through C++ pointers, how pointers will work and the basic understanding of that. This is the content, basic understanding of pointers. Void pointer, what is references, difference between references and pointers, malloc and new, and free and delete. Pointer operator. C++ provides two pointer operators. One is value at pointer or indirection operator. Other one is address operator. Yes, indirection operator nothing but a star, and address operator is nothing but a and. So basic understanding of pointers. The pointer in C++ language is a variable. It is also known as locator or indicator that points to an address of a value, which holds the memory address of another variable. So declaring a pointer, you can type star and variable name. Once you declare a variable with int star pvar, it will be created location at memory. The address of memory will be varies, but for example I have taken as 10,000. So you can create a normal variable int num equal to 5 you initialized, and its address is 20,000, and that particular location having a value of 5. So now pnum you initialized with address of num, so that pvar is pointing to the variable num and it is having address of 20,000 now. Fine. So if you change the p star pvar value to 10, the value of num will be changed to 10. We will see this through example. So void pointer. A void pointer does not have any associated data type. Void pointer clearly indicates that it is empty and can only capable of holding the address of any type. Be clear, any type. Void pointers with addresses can be typecast into any other type easily. A declaration of void pointer is like void star p name. This is like other data types. Example, void pointer, you can initialize integer num equal to 10, you can do that. Now ptr, that is void pointer, you can initialize with address of integer variable, and you can convert by simply typecasting that void pointer into int star, so that it will become integer pointer. Let us see references also. Another type of variables in C++ are references, reference variables, and it behaves as an alias of another variable. Example, integer x equal to 10, integer address operator, that is integer int and varref, the reference variable declaration using AND operator. Pointer uses star, reference will be AND operator. So you can initialize value with already created value. So these are the differences between references and pointers. References used to refer an existing variable in another name. Pointers used to store address of variable, that we have seen already, and again we can see through code as well. References cannot be null and pointers can be null. A reference variable can have referenced by a pass by value. A pointer can be referenced but passed by reference. This is the difference. A reference must be initialized on declaration. Pointer you no need to initialize with anything. I mean, you can initialize with null as well. So this is the differences. Let us go through about malloc and new quickly. So malloc doesn't have any constructor kind of thing, and new actually once you use new operator it will call a constructor. Malloc is a function, new is an operator, returns void pointer after allocation is successful. New actually returns exact data type. We have to calculate size of the malloc manually, but size calculated by the compiler using new operator. Example, int star mnew equal to int unit malloc actually returns void pointers, That's what we have seen here. Malloc actually returns void pointer, so you have to typecast into void pointer. Malloc returns void pointer, so you need to typecast into int star and then allocate into the mnew, and then you can initialize the value here. But coming to new, so new will be automatically takes the integer, and you don't need to typecast anything. Automatically it knows that what type of object you are creating. But in case of malloc size, actually you have to return, actually you have to pass manually by size of integer, so that it will take that size for allocation. So in initialization also you can pass as a parameter the value, it will be initialized to m size is now it is 10, and anyway m size also 10 and n size also 10. So when you have allocated using malloc, should free you have to use to deallocate the memory. Example like free m size, so it will be deallocated. For new also you have to use delete operator, you have to deallocate the memory. Example delete n size, like that. So thank you for this thing, and let's go back to the sample code now. So here I have created the sample program for everything, whatever the pointers we have discussed as in the PPT. So now what happened? Initialization state of the value. P where I have initialized to null and num is 5. So we will try to print this value before P address of the num is assigned to P where, and see what happens after initializing P where with num. And then P where value we are changing to 10. Same thing we have seen in the PPT. After that, void pointer I have declared, and void pointer I am initialized to 10, and this void pointer number address I am passing here, and then I am converting into integer pointer. I am trying to print these values here. And coming to references, reference variables, I created one integer variable, also created reference variable, and reference variable before changing I am just printing it after modifying the varref value to 20, and then I am trying to print it. After that we are going to malloc and new operators, and then we are printing, and then we are freeing these particular values. Let us run and see this program, and parallelly let us understand what we have done actually here. Coming to here, if you see here in this particular line, initialization of p where and num, initialization of p where and num, initially if you see, right, these values are 0 and 5, correct? And then after initializing the values, the address of this value and address of num are same, and values also 5 and 5, correct? Address and values are 5 and 5. After that I have changed the p where to 10. Now address remains same and value is changed, correct? So after that, value the void pointer we have taken, value at the pointer location pint is 10, address of the location is 8, correct? This value is void pointer thing actually. Coming to references, reference values initially, reference variable varref initially 10 and 10, correct? After modification both become 20, correct? So these are the pointer variables we have initialized to 10 and 10. That's why we can see 10 and 10 here. After this thing we are freeing the m size which is allocated using malloc, and deleting the pointer which we allocated or created object using new operator. So this is about pointers. Thank you.